Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Do you also adjust cell using mouse like this? After watching this video, you will not need to do this. In this video, I will teach you the code. After that, whatever you write in Excel will be adjusted automatically. You don't have to adjust it with the mouse. So, right click on sheet and click on view code and change journal to worksheet from drop down list and enter here the code. Type cell dot entire column dot autofit and go back to your worksheet. Now you write in it and check it will be automatically adjusted. Like this. This was today's video. Like and follow for more tricks. Thank you so much for watching.